Why most brands fail. It's not because of expensive ads. They fail because they talk to everyone and convince no one. The fastest way to burn ad spend? Launch before knowing what your customer needs to hear. At Performance First, we start with groundwork. It sharpens your message and multiplies your results. And it only takes 15 minutes, a proven template, and focus. Step 1, mine your market. Pick 3 to 5 top competitors. Pull out their hook, promise, claims, proof, pricing, their Facebook ads, and angles they missed. Don't reinvent the wheel. Learn from what's working. Step 2, strip your offer. Answer. What's your main promise? Top 2 to 3 benefits? What's your unique mechanism? What pain do you solve best? Why is this urgent now? Step 3, think like your customer. Forget personas. Write how they actually think. I wish I could blank so that blank. I'm afraid that blank. I'm tired of blank. This becomes your foundation for ads, emails, landing pages, everything. Because if your message isn't specific, it won't land. This work gives you the clarity to speak directly to the right buyer at the right time. If you're spending below $10,000 per month, sign up for the Performance First AI Copilot on performancefirst.r17ventures.com. If you're already greater than $10,000 per month, reach out at r17ventures.com/contact.